What's up, YouTube? Good maintenance, bringing your car in for service goes a long way. Let's check out this Ford F-150. Busting out a rear diff service on this thing. You can see the fluid's black in this diff. It's definitely overdue. Good thing is it's not milky. New calipers, new pads, new rotors, new hardware. Customer came in for grinding, squeaking brakes, front end issues. Said go through it and let's see what we have. 03 Ford F-150 two-wheel drive. New brake pads, new hardware, new rotors, repacked the wheel bearings, loosen the clamps on the brake hoses. Very common that they fill with rust. You can see the rust here, squeezing the brake hose. You've seen the previous video where the sway bar links were installed incorrectly. Sway bar links are installed properly now. Waiting for a set of front shocks. One bolt broke. Just waiting for the shocks. New serpentine belt, new air filter, fresh oil change. A little bit of maintenance. Bring it in, go over it, service it. Look at this thing. Look how old this truck is. It's not rotted out. It's not falling apart. He's staying on top of it. New fuel filter today. I mean, it's showing its age, but that's expected. The dude's not buying a $60,000 or $80,000 F-150 every 5 years. He's getting his plenty of mileage out of this thing, and I'm going to keep him on the road. New tires in the back because they're shot. Yeah, I mean, she's dripping, baby. All right, everyone. I just wanted to show you what I was doing today. Thanks for watching.